either of you could use the climbing lane? What? Yeah, exit regret. Can we call that an exit dive? Stop before you turn. Thank you. This is the in-way, lady, not the out-way. Where the hell am I going?
Later.
Speaking of in through the outdoor, not how the drive-through works. Nice car, said no one ever. Yeah, trucks, get right, go right, dummy. Get right. Trucks, all trucks, keep right. All trucks, keep right. This is not keeping right. Dum da 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 dum. Yeah, okay. Die in the merge, why don't we? Let's dive. Welcome in. Oh, speed trap got somebody. And the winner / loser is slow down, move over. Slow down, move over, Toyo turd. Get off the phone. Yep. Slow down, move over. She's on the phone. She's got a psycho bun. Yeah. For them, you move over. Hello. 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 Hi. It's not a parking space, dude. You know. That's not a parking space either. Hey, and camera right exit dive. Are you gonna turn left from left turn lane? Nope. Nope. Because Toyota. Yeah. Hello? Hello? How was that? What the hell are you doing there? What the hell are you doing? What the hell's going on? I guess I can go to target. Don't run the red, don't run the red, don't run the red. You're in the red. Woo! Don't run that road. Nice! Nice! Let's go back and get the clip and see what the frig is company. What an asshole. Oh, look how far I got you. Ha ha! Here he is. And I can't read it from here. Land Solutions. Stop sign. Roll through a cupcake, no problem. Zoom. Yeah, you people had red. What the frig are you doing? Wait a minute, did he go before it turned green? What the hell? She works hard for the money, so you bet treat her. Hey, stop sign. Lady, stop sign. Gee, right. Did he stop, by the way? Did Mr. DCR stop? Nobody stops today. Nobody. Hey. Works up. Let's take the back road through the woods. Be nice and relaxing. Sure. Yeah. That's it. Thank you. No left turn. Hi, no left turn. Stop sign ahead. I think it's one of those invisible ones. Yeah, uh-huh. Yeah, uh-huh. Go. Go doesn't mean cut off a minivan. Because Toyota. Pull over. Pull over. Pull over. Pull over. Pull. Am I the only one? Yeah. Camroid, I understand. I mean, come on, the rest of you is wake the frig up! New driver, it shows. Please be patient. Please wake the hell up. Nice cutoff.